Yeah, so we're at the Food in Communities conference today to celebrate all the amazing action that's happening on the ground with communities across Wales. And we've got a great focus here today on Carmarthenshire actually, since we're being hosted by Bwyd Food as part of the event.
Wel, mae heddi yn gyfle arbennig I ni ddod at yn gilydd I siarad yn y cnawd o wyneb I wyneb gyda arbenigwyr a mediadau ar draws Gymru I weld beth allan ni'n neud I ddilifro ar yr agenda yma sy'n ganolog I ni. Dim jyst fel cyngor sir, ond I partneriaid sector cyhoeddus ar draws Sir Gâr.
It was massively important. Obviously, we've spent a couple of years pretty much working behind computer screens. And what you've managed to do through the conference is really join things up across every level of society almost. The hope is that all of that activity goes back, all of those communities across Wales and really resonates in the activity on the ground. If they can continue to work together as well as they have today, that'd be an amazing outcome.
Wel, fel cyngor, mae bwyd, mae fel ni'n cynhyrchu bwyd, fel ni'n darparu bwyd, fel ni'n prosesu bwyd, gwerthu bwyd, prynu bwyd, mae hwnna'n mynd I fod yn ganolog ni yn y blynyddoedd nesaf. Wrth gwrs, mae'r cyd-destun rhyngwladol yn fforso bobl nawr I feddwl ynglŷn fel mae bwyd yn cyrraedd y plat. Ac yn hermau ni fel cyngor sir, wrth gwrs, mae yna nifer o amcanion dyn ni, yn hermau taclo tlodi, cynladwyedd, datblygu'r economi wledig, datblygu trefi a canol trefi, a mae bwyd a'r sector fwyd yn ganolog i'r agendas ni I gyd.
Yeah, so we're really fortunate to be working with a wide range of partners, both at the UK level, but also here in Wales. And then through our food partnerships, lots of partners on the ground as well. And it's just absolutely amazing to have the opportunity to bring together people who may be living locally and haven't been seeing much of each other, but also people that may not have had the opportunity to meet otherwise. And you know, we can hear in the room cross-fertilisation of ideas. There's loads of energy here today, so it's like really exciting to see people energised by the opportunities that we've got in Wales to help fix our food system.